Wow. Look at all those stars. They're like diamonds. My grandfather says it can take hundreds of years for the light of a star to reach Earth. And by the time we see it, the star might not even exist anymore. Isn't that crazy?
A light shines, even though the star is gone.
Yeah, it does. I wonder which one you came from, Shadow.
I don't know. I don't know anything about my home.
This is your home, Shadow. Earth.
Maria, do you think I'm dangerous?
What are you talking about?
The way the scientists look at me, I can tell they're afraid. Like I'm the horrible thing from that movie we watched. I don't know what I am.
You're my friend. And you can do or be anything you want. Not because of your powers, but because of who you are in here.